Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, and in today's video I will show you how you can restrict someone on Facebook Messenger. So let's start with the video. First of all, you just need to go to the Messenger app, and from here you need to open the chat or the contact whom you want to restrict. Then you have to go to their profile by pressing their name at the top. And here you will see the option to restrict them at the bottom section which says privacy and support. So from here you need to press restrict, and this will hide their chat. So you can hide someone's chat using restrict option, and they will not be able to see when you are online or if you have read their messages or not. So this will only hide their conversation and it will not delete it. You have to search for them to read their new messages. So yeah, that's how you can restrict anyone on Facebook Messenger, and that was it for today's topic. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.